Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage closing documents with CataList step by step clearly. First, log into your CataList account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Closing Documents section on the dashboard. Click on the Add New Document button to start uploading your documents. Select the document type from the drop-down menu provided. Next, choose the file you want to upload from your device. Make sure to fill in all required fields, including the document title and description. After filling out the necessary information, click on the Upload button. Once uploaded, review the document for accuracy and completeness. To add additional documents, repeat the upload process as needed. If you need to edit a document, click on the document title. Make your changes in the required fields and click Save. To delete a document, select the document from the list. Click on the Delete button and confirm the action. You can also categorize your documents for easier access by clicking on Manage Categories. Assign categories to your documents by selecting the appropriate tags. After categorizing, click Save to apply the changes. To share a document with team members, click on the Share button next to the document. Enter the email addresses of the team members you wish to share with. Choose the level of access permissions to grant each member. Finally, click Send to share the document. Regularly check the Recent Activities section to stay updated on document changes. By following these steps, you can effectively manage closing documents with CataList. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.